Welcome. Oh, I should say welcome. Wait, you should say welcome.
I was about to film and then I saw some people outside and staring at me and then I just feel like awkward. So we're gonna cook another vegan dish.
Braised tofu.
Braised tofu.
Back on it. Even though I was never off it, but you know, I'm about to be back on it. I was gone. When I was really gone, I was always here.
I can smell the onions already. Green onions. All you need is some really firm tofu, spring onions, and cooking onions. That's it. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce. What do we need?
So we need soy sauce and a little bit of oligo syrup. I like to use this instead of sugar. It's healthier for you. And sesame seed, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of minced garlic.
I'm gonna put all the ingredients list down in the description box. Is that good? Yeah. Soy sauce and
Oligo syrup?
yep, garlic,
Yep. Sesame seed.
sesame seed. If you're allergic to that, don't add it.
And then I'm gonna add some water on it. Medium high.
Medium high. So when you're putting the tofu there, make sure that you're straining all the water so then you don't hurt yourself. What do we usually eat this with?
You can eat it by itself or eat it with rice.
With rice. So that's the end of the video. Give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below. If you like this kind of style, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye.
You know, niggas got responsibilities and shit, you know, the people out here